Hi everybody, welcome to ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online. Here is an important recruitment notification from ISRO through GATE 2024 and GATE 2025 score. And this is for the students of Electronics and Communication GATE paper, Mechanical Engineering GATE paper and Computer Science GATE paper. However, allied branch students also can apply for this ISRO IRCB recruitment notification. So let us see the details of the notification, who are the eligible candidates for applying for this particular post through GATE 2024 and GATE 2025 score. See, to see this notification, you have to go for isro.gov.in/careers.html. So here you can see advertisement number ISRO IRCB 01 EMC 2025 dated 29/04/2025, recruitment to the post of scientist engineer in the disciplines of electronics, mechanical and computer science. So here if you click on this, it will redirect to the another page, so where you can get the complete information. And here remember one thing, dear students, usually ISRO will conduct their own examination, but to speed up the recruitment process, so recently they have taken a step that they want to recruit through GATE examination as well. So that is the reason this notification was released with respect to the GATE score. And here you can see, so once you click on the read more, recruitment to the post of scientist engineer in the disciplines of electronics, mechanical and computer science. So here the last date for submission of applications online is May 19th, 2025 and advertisement date is April 29, 2025. So ISRO Centralized Recruitment Board, so this is conducting this recruitment process. Here you can come across bilingual advertisement, frequently asked questions. See, this frequently asked questions part we will be discussing, dear students, because in this part only they have mentioned what are the various departments which the students who are from those departments who can apply for this recruitment post. So let me show you that. So click here to apply online. So once you click here to apply online, so this application part will open like this. Candidates are advised not to take cognizance of fake offer of appointment for job in ISRO. So this is a disclaimer that is given, dear students. So frequently asked questions, if already applied, you can print your application here, make payment, payment status can be seen here. So to get the online application form, please click on the post name below for which you want to apply. See, scientist engineer electronics, number of vacancies, total 22 vacancies are there, dear students. 22 vacancies are there for scientist electronics. So tentative centers, units of posting, HSFC and URSC Bangalore, NRSC Hyderabad, SAC Ahmedabad, SDSC Shar Sriharikota, VSSC Thiruvananthapuram. Then scientist engineer mechanical, 33 posts are there. So here Bangalore, Mahendragiri, Ahmedabad, Sriharikota, Thiruvananthapuram, Vailiamala also is there here. Then scientist engineer computer science, total vacancies are 8 vacancies, Bangalore, Hassan, Hyderabad and Ahmedabad. So these are the places where you can get the posting. So here he has given educational qualifications. So BE, B.Tech or equivalent in electronics and communication engineering with an aggregate minimum of 65% marks, average of all semesters, or CGPA 6.84 on a 10-point scale. So this is for scientist engineer electronics, GATE qualification, valid GATE score in electronics and communication engineering, paper code EC. So scientist engineer SC mechanical, so BE, B.Tech or equivalent in mechanical engineering with an aggregate minimum of 65% marks, average of all semesters, or CGPA 6.84 on a 10-point scale. So valid GATE score in mechanical engineering, paper code ME. Then scientist engineer SC computer science, BE, B.Tech or equivalent in computer science and engineering with an aggregate minimum of 65% marks, average of all semesters, or CGPA 6.84 on a 10-point scale. So valid GATE score in computer science and information technology, the paper code is CS. See here, dear students, most of the people will think that only computer science people have to apply for this scientist, engineer, computer science post, or only electronic students have to apply for this, or only mechanical students have to apply for this? It is not the criteria, dear students. Allied branch students also can apply. So I'll show you in the frequently asked questions. So here, whoever are the students of various departments who can apply for these posts. And remember one thing, dear students, the percentage criteria is strictly followed. See here, my aggregate percentage average of all semesters is less than 65%. However, after conversion according to my university conversion factor, my CGPA, CPI turns out to be more than 6.84. Am I eligible to apply? No. Okay. So, candidates with percentage mentioned on the university certificate are not allowed to convert the percentage into CGPA or CPI. So, the eligibility criteria mentioned in the notification is BE, B.Tech or equivalent qualification with an aggregate minimum of 65% marks or CGPA 6.84 by 10 average of all semesters for which results are available. What is the meaning of equivalent or equivalency? Following are the courses which are considered degree or equivalent in the relevant field: BE, B.Tech, BSc Engineering, Diploma plus BE, B.Tech lateral entry, BSc plus BE, B.Tech lateral entry, AMIE. Okay, candidates who have undergone any of the above courses and fulfill all other terms and conditions mentioned in the advertisement are eligible to apply. Now, I told you some specialized fields people also can apply for these scientist positions. For example, whether candidates who have BE, B.Tech in other electronics disciplines apply for the post scientist engineer SC electronics. As per ISRO's requirement, engineering degree holders in the following specialized fields are eligible to apply for the post of scientist engineer. Okay. So, this is most important thing, dear students. For scientist electronics, applied electronics, communication, electrical and electronics, electronics and communication, electronics and power, electronics and telecommunication, industrial electronics, power electronics, telecommunication, instrumentation technology, instrumentation and control, electronics and instrumentation, avionics. However, GATE qualification should be in electronics and communication engineering paper only. Okay. So, this is for electronics scientist engineer post, dear students. All these departments specializations can apply. Okay. Now, let us go for mechanical related disciplines. So, as per ISRO's requirement, engineering degree holders in the following specialized fields are eligible to apply for the post of scientist engineer mechanical. So, aeronautical engineering, aerospace, industrial and production engineering, industrial engineering and management, industrial management, manufacturing engineering and technology, manufacturing process and automation engineering, manufacturing sciences engineering, manufacturing technology, material science and technology, mechanical and automation engineering, mechanical and mechatronics engineering, additive manufacturing, mechanical engineering, industry integrated. So, mechanical engineering, manufacturing engineering, production, mechanical engineering design, mechatronics engineering, metallurgical and material engineering, metallurgical engineering, metallurgy and material technology, production and industrial engineering, production management. However, GATE qualification should be in mechanical engineering, ME only. Okay. See, 27 specializations are there. So, any of these specializations people can apply for scientist mechanical posts. Then coming to computer science, dear students, there are so many interdisciplinary courses in computer science. Everybody is eligible to apply. Okay, so let us see what are those. As per ISRO's requirement, engineering degree holders in the following specialized fields are eligible to apply for the post of scientist engineer. So, SC computer science and engineering, computer science and technology, computer engineering, computer science and communication engineering, computer science and information technology, computer science and systems engineering, computer technology, computer science and engineering, artificial intelligence and machine learning, computer science and engineering, artificial intelligence and data science, information engineering, information science, information and communication technology, information science and engineering, information science and technology, information technology engineering, computer science engineering, cyber security, artificial intelligence, software engineering, big data analytics, cloud computing, computer networking, information technology. However, GATE qualification should be in computer science and information technology paper, CS paper only. Okay, so try to understand this one carefully. I have completed my SSLC 10th standard before attaining age of 15 years and completed BE B.Tech before attaining age of 21 years. I am getting an error message for entering the date of birth. How do I proceed? You may kindly contact IRCB cell on the phone numbers mentioned below at the end of the frequently asked questions. See, kindly go through these frequently asked questions, dear students. Most of your doubts will be solved here itself. Okay, no need of worrying, right? So, remember, strictly 65% is required for these posts, dear students. They have mentioned clearly here. Suppose you are doing ME M.Tech. In B.Tech, you have less than 65% score. In ME M.Tech, you have more than 65%. Then also you are not eligible to apply because 65% is mandatory in undergraduation. That is what he has mentioned. So, kindly go through these frequently asked questions so that you will get the complete information. Okay. So, now let us go back to this part here, dear students. So, graduation should have been completed within the stipulated duration of the course as prescribed by the university. That is what he is saying. So, kindly go through all this information, dear students. Age limit 28 years as on 19/5/2025. Serving government employees, ex-servicemen, persons with benchmark disabilities are eligible for age relaxation as per Government of India norms. Then, candidates will be screened in for the interview on the basis of GATE 2024 or GATE 2025 scores. Already at the beginning, I told you about this information, dear students. The GATE paper and the subject of qualifying degree of the candidates must be as per the discipline as mentioned in the table. So, that is what he has given. So, how to apply? The application for online registration will be hosted in the ISRO website between 29th April 2025 to 19th May 2025, dear students. So, payment of application fees. So, payment of application fee is 250 rupees, dear students. So, this should be done only through online. Okay, internet banking, UPI, debit cards and credit cards, domestic cards only are eligible here. So, kindly go through this information carefully. So, however, for girl students and SC/ST category students, so the fee waiver is given, dear students. Kindly go through this carefully. Coming to the selection process, the qualification prescribed is the minimum requirement and the same does not automatically make candidates eligible for interview. Shortlisting of the candidates for interview in the ratio of 1:7 shall be based on GATE scores awarded and not on GATE marks or GATE rank. Okay. The candidates will be assessed based on the following attributes: technical academic knowledge 40 marks, then general awareness in relevance to the area of specialization technical 20 marks, presentation communication skills 20 marks, comprehension 10 marks and academic achievements 10 marks, totaling of 100 marks. Candidates will have to score minimum 60 marks in the interview and PWD candidates will have to score minimum 50 marks in the interview. For generation of the final paper, final panel, 50% weightage will be given to GATE scores and 50% weightage is given to interview marks. And coming to the pay and allowances, dear students, so minimum basic pay of 56,100 per month will be paid here, dear students. In addition, DA, HRA and transport allowance are payable as per extant rules on the subject. The employees will be governed by the new pension scheme, unified pension scheme. So, that is what he has given, dear students. Career progression, ISRO provides excellent opportunities for career growth under its progressive merit promotion scheme, wherein promotion to higher levels is de-linked from availability of vacancy in respect of scientific and technical posts. So, here other conditions are instructions. Number of vacancies indicated is provisional. The posts are temporary but likely to continue. Posts are temporary but are likely to continue, dear students. So, for details of ISRO centers units, please visit ISRO centers. He has given this thing. Candidates attending the interview will be reimbursed to and fro second class, sleeper class train fare by the shortest route from the city indicated in the online application form to the place of interview. If any information furnished online is found to be false, the candidate will not be interviewed and TA will not be paid. ISRO reserves the right not to fill up all or any of the posts if it so desires. Only Indian nationals need to apply. So complete information is given here itself, dear students. So in the advertisement page also the same information is given. So let us see how to go for the application form. So suppose you are applying for scientist, engineer, computer science. So if you click on that, candidates with MCA, MSc, computer science background are not eligible to apply, he has given here. So post number is given and post applied for is given, dear students. So full name as per your 10th standard, SSLC or matriculation marks list, email address, retype email address, then gender, category is there, are you ex-serviceman, are you a person with disability? So this is all he has given here, dear students. Then father's name, photograph of the candidate, only JPG or JPEG file of 50 KB size maximum. So you have to choose the file and upload it. Signature of the candidate, only JPG or JPEG file of 50 KB size. So you need to choose the file and upload it. So then you have to click on the next step. Okay, so this is how you have to fill the application form, dear students. So remember, while filling the application form, don't use this back button, dear students. So which you are seeing in the browser. So here there will be 8 steps. So this is first step of 8. Okay, 8 steps will be there. You have to enter the information very carefully and then go for payment of the application fees. Okay, so try to go through this carefully, dear students. The last date to apply is May 19th, 2025. Okay, thank you. All the very best.